dusty road, the sky's turning gray. Got my old truck rumbling, don't know where to stay. My cat's in the backseat, eyes wide looking at me. As the storm starts brewing, I just need a sign to see. Jesus, take the truck wheel, got me through the night. Got my cat in the backseat, holding on tight. With faith as my fuel, I'm gonna let go. Jesus, take the truck wheel, lead me on slow. The rain's coming heavy, can't see the road ahead. Wipers are struggling, filling my heart with dread. My cat's purring softly, calm as can be. Guess he's got faith that he's watching over me. Jesus, take the truck wheel, got me through the night. Got my cat in the backseat, holding on tight. With faith as my fuel, I'm gonna let go. Jesus, take the truck wheel and lead me home slow. Through every twist, through every turn, and in the heart of the storm, my worries I heard. The road gets dark, but I know he's near. My cat's got no fear, cause he's steering us clear. The clouds start to break, see the light up ahead. The road feels steady now, no longer filled with dread. I look back at my buddy, eyes bright, calm as day. With Jesus at the wheel, we'll find our way. Jesus, take the truck wheel, got me through the night. Got my cat in the backseat, holding on tight. With faith as my fuel, I'm gonna let go. Jesus, take the truck wheel and lead me home slow. So here I am on this winding road, with my furry friend in the weight of my load. Jesus took the truck wheel, let me safe and sound, with my cat by my side on solid ground.